good and safe at home. Welcome back to our English class. Let's start our English class with a word of the day. Okay? Usually we are learning a word and its meaning, right? Shall we recall what are the words which we have learned in our previous classes? Okay. First one, copious. Very good. Copious. What is the meaning of copious? Abundant, many, plenty, right? Okay. The next one. Yes, very good. Dawdle. Okay, dawdle. What is the meaning of dawdle? Be slow or waste of time. The next one. Yes, abdicate. What is the meaning of abdicate? Quit or give up, stop, resign, right? Okay. The next word, abrupt. Okay, abdicate, that is abdicate. The next one, abrupt. What is the meaning of abrupt? Very good. Abrupt means sudden or unexpected. Okay, sudden or unexpected. The next one, very good. Devour. Devour. What is the meaning of devour? Very good. Eat hungrily or quickly, or else read quickly and eagerly. Right? Yes. The next one, famished. Right? Famished. What is the meaning of famished? Extremely hungry. Right? Extremely hungry. Okay. Then what did you learn? Famished afterwards. Latest two words you have learned, right? What are they? Bamboozle. Bamboozle. What is the meaning of bamboozle? Cheat or fool, right? Cheat or making others fool, right? The latest one, what is that? A nib. Very good. What is the meaning of a nib? Nib means bite or nibbling. Then another meaning, go quickly, right? Why am I repeating all the words in every class? Very good. You have to recall it, okay? Don't forget all the words, it will be useful, okay? Don't forget. Today, let's learn a new word, okay? Are you ready to learn? Yes, okay. Look at this word. Read this. C-A-L-I-B-R-E. What is this? Caliber. Okay? Have you heard this word before? Caliber. Say louder. Caliber. Okay? Caliber, which means the quality of someone's character or the level of their ability. Okay? Simply quality or ability. Okay? Caliber, which means quality or ability. Okay? The quality of someone's character or the level of their ability. Okay? The quality of someone's character or the level of their ability. That is called caliber. Okay? Look at this sentence. We should show our caliber in all the curricular and co-curricular activities. Okay? We should show our caliber. That means our quality or our ability. Okay? We should show our ability in all the curricular and co-curricular activities. Ability means what we can do. Okay? So, we should show our caliber in all the curricular and co-curricular activities. We should show our ability. Okay? Have you got it? What is the word of the day? Caliber, which means very good. The quality of someone's character or the level of their ability. Okay? Caliber, which means quality or ability. Did you understand now? Clear? Okay. Write 5 sentences by using this word. Take a snap and send it to me. Okay? Yes. Let's jump into our lesson. In previous class, we have completed chapter 5, right? What is the title? Indian weavers. Today, let's move on to a new chapter. Okay? Chapter name, Birbal and the Washerman. Okay? Birbal and the Washerman. Okay. Have you heard this word before, Birbal? Do you know Akbar and Birbal? You know many stories, right? First of all, do you like stories? Yes, you like very much, right? Yes. Okay. Have you heard Akbar and Birbal story? Yes? Okay. See, in your book, page number 63. Okay, this is chapter 6, Birbal and the Washerman. Okay, page number 63. Okay, in your book, page number 63, in that Let's Go page, they have given some pictures. Okay, that pictures related to some stories. Okay, you have to identify that. Okay, whose picture is there and which story is that? You have to write it. Okay, have you all taken your book? Open it, page number 63. Have you all taken? Yes. Look at the pictures and write the name of that characters and write the name of that story also. Got it? Yes. Okay. See, in this story, Birbal and the Washerman, it's a play, okay, drama. It has 7 scenes. Okay. How many scenes are there? 7 scenes. Okay. Now, let's learn what are the characters in this drama. Okay. Characters means, yes, that person. Okay. Those who are playing that drama. Okay. First one, Akbar. Who is that? Akbar. Then, next one, Denu the Washerman. Akbar, do you know who is Akbar? Yes, the king. Okay. Akbar is a king. Then Denu. Who is he? Washerman. Okay. Denu. His name is Denu. In that title we have seen Birbal and the Washerman. The washerman's name is Denu. Okay. The next one, Birbal. Okay. These 3 persons are the main characters. Okay. One is Akbar, Denu the Washerman, then Birbal. Okay. Then next, Town Crier. Town Crier. The next one, Courtiers and Village Folk. Okay. Courtiers and Village Folk. Courtiers means those who are in that court. That means in that palace. Okay. Then village folk, the people. Okay. Then Kusam, the washerman's wife. Okay. Kusam, the washerman's wife. What is the name of that washerman's wife? Kusam. Okay. Then Denu and Kusam's children. Okay. The next, messenger. One is sending the message to others. Okay. That person is called as messenger. Okay. Then narrator. Okay. First one, Akbar, Denu the Washerman, then Birbal. Then Town Crier, Courtiers and Village Folk, Kusam the Washerman's wife, Denu and Kusam's children, messenger. Who is Denu? The Washerman. Okay. Then narrator. Got it? Have you got all the characters' name? Yes? Okay. Don't forget all the names. Okay. First one, Akbar, Denu the Washerman, Birbal, Town Crier, Courtiers and Village Folk, Kusam the Washerman's wife, Denu and Kusam's children, messenger and narrator. Okay. Keep in mind, I will ask all the names in Zoom session. Okay. You have to say. So, keep in mind. Got it? Yes. Now, let's start the drama. Okay. Do you like to learn this drama? Yes. Okay. See, already I have told you how many scenes are there in this drama. Very good. There are number 1. Okay, scene number 1, place, palace. Okay, whose palace? Very good, Akbar. Okay, the king, emperor, king or emperor, Akbar's palace. Okay, who are the characters in this scene? Akbar and Birbal. Okay, Akbar and Birbal. Got it? Yes. See that two persons, okay, the emperor and Birbal, both are walking in the terrace. Okay, they are walking in the terrace in a pacing the floor. Pacing the floor means walking back and forth impatiently. Okay, walking back and forth impatiently. That means that Akbar and Birbal, they were pacing the floor, walking back and forth impatiently. Okay, in that palace. Where are they walking? Yes, they were walking in the palace. Okay, pacing the floor, which means walking back and forth impatiently. Impatient means restlessly. Okay, they were walking quickly back and forth. Okay, one is going here and coming there, going here and coming there. Likewise, both are walking in that palace. Okay, especially in that terrace. Okay, see, it is a winter morning. Okay, what time they were walking like this? Yes, it's a morning. And which season? Winter. Okay, winter morning. From that terrace, they can see a river. Okay, from that terrace, they can see a terror. Who can see? Yes, both that person. Who are they? Akbar and Birbal. Okay, so they can see a river. Okay, so first, Akbar, he was asking to Birbal, Birbal, I have heard this river, okay, the water in this river is extremely cold. Extremely means very much. Okay, extremely cold. Who asked? Akbar. Okay, I have heard that the water in this river is extremely cold. Okay, so Birbal is replying that yes, Majesty. Okay, yes, my lord. Okay, yes, Majesty, I have told so. Okay, then that Akbar is asking, see, in that cold water, can a man survive through the entire night? Who asked? That Akbar, king, emperor. Okay, he was asking, in this cold water, can a man live throughout the night? Who asked? Akbar. Okay, then Birbal is saying that, certainly no, my lord, no, Majesty. Okay, I can't think so, because the water is so cold, so no one can survive in that entire night through this cold water. Okay, then after few minutes, that Akbar, the king, he was thinking something and he said, I have an idea. I have an idea. And he whispers. Whispers means talking something in less sound. Okay, he whispers something in Birbal's ear. Okay, whispers means talking something in less sound. Okay, here we have learned another word, survive. Survive means continue to live. Okay, survive means continue to live. Okay, so Akbar, he whispers something in Birbal's ear. Okay, then when he heard that, okay, when Birbal heard that, he was surprised. Okay, what did he say? Do you have an idea? Any idea? No. Okay, let's see that. Now, let's learn scene number 2. Okay, see, this is narrator and the folk. Okay, folk means village folk. Okay, the people of that country. Got it? 3 characters. One is town crier, then second one narrator, then third one people. Okay, then which place? Town, market place. Then which time? Afternoon. Okay, scene number 2. See, after that Akbar, emperor king, he whispered something in Birbal's ears. This scene number 2 is happening. Okay, in that a town crier. Town crier means a person whose job is to make a public announcement in a marketplace or street of town. Okay, who is town crier? A person whose job is to make a public announcement in a marketplace or streets of town. Okay, in streets of town or in the marketplace, a man, he announced a public message. Okay, so that person is called as town crier. Okay, likewise a narrator also. Okay, see, in this afternoon at town marketplace, this town crier, he is going to announce something. Okay, he beats his drums and call all the people. Okay, people who are around him, they leave their job and they gathered there. Okay, then he was announcing that, see, everyone listen, our emperor, okay, Shansha Akbar, he gave some message to you. Okay, what message? Do you have any idea? Yes, see, if anyone can stand in the river, okay, that river is in front of that palace. Okay, if anyone can stand in the river in front of the palace throughout this night, you will be awarded amply. Okay, you will amply awarded. Amply means plenty. Okay, amply means plenty. Okay, he will award you plenty. Okay, who announced this? Very good. That town crier. Okay, after that the people are discussing themselves. Okay, then one side, okay, he is announcing, then another side, another sound is hearing. Okay, the narrator, he is announcing this message to the people. Okay, so the people are confused and they were discussing about this. Okay, at that time, a washerman, okay, washerman, what is his name? Do you remember? Yes, Denu. Okay, that washerman, he was saying something to his wife's ear. Okay, he was saying something to his wife's ear. What did he say? Yes, he was saying that I'm going to participate in that competition. Okay, if I wins, they will award plenty, so we can live happily. Okay, so we can live well. Okay, who said like that? That washerman. Okay, then his wife was asking that, are you insane? Insane. Okay, insane means mad. Are you mad? Are you crazy? Okay, 2 words are there, mad or crazy. Okay, are you insane? Why are you saying like this? No need to take this high risk. Okay, who said? Denu's wife. Okay, her name is Kusam. Okay, what is Denu's wife's name? Kusam. Okay, she said no need to take this high risk. Okay, then that man, Okay, washerman, he was saying that, don't worry, okay, don't worry, I used to wash clothes in the cold water. That means every day he is washing that dresses in the cold water, right? So it is very easy to me. Okay, so don't worry. Who said? That washerman. Okay, dear students, today we have learned two scenes from this story, Birbal and the washerman, right? Scene number 1 and scene number 2. Okay, let us recall what we have learned today. First scene, which place is that scene is happening? Very good. In Akbar's palace, right? Yes. Who are the characters in that scene? Akbar and Birbal. What did they discuss? They discussed about that cold water in the river, right? In second scene, who are the characters? One is town crier. The next, very good, narrator. Then, yes, a people. Then next, washerman. Okay, washerman. Denu. His name is Denu. This town crier, he announced a message to the people. What announcement? Do you remember? Yes, very good. If any man can stand in the water throughout this night, they will be amply awarded. Okay, then who is trying to participate in that? Yes, very good. Denu, washerman. Okay, dear students, hope you understand this. Let's watch the animation video of this lesson. Then you will get some more idea. Are you ready? Yes.
Birbal and the Washerman. Let us listen to this story about how Birbal uses his wit to get a washerman the reward he deserves. The scene is that of a winter morning. Akbar and Birbal are pacing the floor on the terrace of the palace. The terrace offers a good view of the river.
Birbal, I have heard that the water in this river is extremely cold. Is that true?
Yes, Your Majesty. I have been told so.
What do you think will happen if a man stands in the river all through the night? Do you think he will die?
Certainly, Your Majesty. No man will be able to survive the cold water for an entire night.
I have an idea. Everyone listen! Here is an order from our Emperor Shahanshah Akbar. Any man who stands in the cold waters of the river in front of the Emperor's palace all through the night will be amply rewarded.
He moves on, making the same announcement at another busy corner of town. The townspeople stand in small groups, discussing the announcement. It is clear that no one is ready to accept the challenge. But a poor washerman, Denu, listens to the announcement and whispers something into his wife's ear.
Kusum, this is a good opportunity. I should try my luck. If I succeed in standing in the river, I'll get a reward and we'll be able to live well.
Are you insane? No. Don't ever think of taking such a risk.
Don't you worry. Nothing will happen to me. After all, I'm used to washing clothes in cold water every day.
Have you all watched the video? Yes. Okay. Hope you understand this. Read the text thoroughly, then underline the hard words, then study all the meanings. Okay? Then you have to write 5 sentences using word of the day. Take a snap and send it to me. If you have any queries, meet me in Zoom and clarify that. Okay? Let's meet in next class. Bye everyone.